Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how we can pair your Yamaha TW-E3 with your MacBook. So first of all, you have to remember to charge them at least to the 50%. The next thing, just open the case and remove only the right one. Click and hold this button until this indicator turns to the blue, and then release. Put it back and do the same with the left one. Release when the blue appears. Right now we can take them together and take a look. As you can see, they are blinking, and the right one is blinking, and that's correct pairing process. So we can put them back close to our MacBook and smoothly move for the Bluetooth settings. Open the Bluetooth preferences and for sure enable the Bluetooth itself. As you can see, the Yamaha appears right here. We have to get the rear one, so click connect. Okay, and right now we are connected. We can also accept this second, and there it is. We are successfully connected. As you can see, that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.